Hello guys, welcome to K-Tips, your daily dose of Korean beauty tips. Find out how to do every girl things. Thought I applied a beautiful lip gloss, but ended up with thin and flat lips. Bare lips make me look older and unattractive. Why not try this simple 3D lip painting technique? Restore the pure and clear beauty. Step 1. Use the brush directly to outline the desired contour and thickness. Apply some on the lip peak casually. Spread it with your fingers inside the lips. Blur the lip peak to both sides. The contour shows significant improvement. Step 2. Color and blend the lower lip, connecting the edges. Draw a small V on the upper lip. Tap the sides of the lips with your fingers to blend. Add a touch of fish scale color. Repeat the coloring. This time, only slightly blur the edges of the coloring. Fill in the corners of the mouth. Deepen the lip and eyebrow lines. And you're done. Step 3. Apply concealer first, then touch up the corners of the mouth. Also, fix the edges of any dark or uneven areas. Now you have plump and attractive 3D lips. Achieve a stunning look with milky coffee orange tones. Perfect for the fall-winter season's milky coffee color. You can also layer lip gloss on the lips. Enhance the plumpness. This tender and plump feeling. Who wouldn't want to give it a kiss? I love both the matte and glossy effects. Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.